अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो हमने टॉपिक डिस्कस करना है ये है हमारे पास प्रोटीन्स। Proteins, these are the one of the abundant organic compounds in nature in the body of the living organisms as well. First of all, I am going to discuss here the definition of the proteins. What are proteins? They are the polymers of the amino acids. Now, what do you mean by the polymers? Poly means many, mers mean unit. Its mean proteins are made up of smaller units known as amino acids. Now, what is the composition of the amino acid? Amino acids are they are formed of carbon, nitrogen, and the oxygen. Amino acids are made up of many atoms: carbon, nitrogen, and the oxygen. Number of amino acids vary from 3000 to even more in the proteins. As proteins are going more complex, they have more amino acids in themselves, and the arrangement of the amino acids in proteins is also different. Amino acids, they are the building block of the proteins, just like the bricks are the building block of a wall. In the same manner, amino acids are the building blocks of the proteins. Here this is the structure, and this is most important one from paper point of view. This is the alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon is the carbon which is directly attached with the functional group. Here you can see that carbon atom is directly attached with the carboxyl group. This group is known as the carboxyl group. R is the general abbreviation used for the alkyl groups. NH2 is the amino group, and H is the hydrogen group. R group varies in different amino acids. Approximately 170 types of amino acids occur in the cells. According to the recent data, 300 different types of amino acids are present in the cells. However, because you have 170 figure in your book, so you have to cram it for objective point of view. 20 amino acid constituents the protein, 25, and 20 amino acids, they are the more abundant in nature, and almost 300 different types of amino acids are present in nature. Amino group of one amino acid react with the carboxyl group of the other amino acid to form the peptide bond. Linkage or bond between the carbon and nitrogen is known as peptide bond. Now I am going to show you how this peptide bond is formed. This is the example. Okay, one thing is important here. Almost all amino acids have same structure, same basic pattern. One carbon atom is present, one hydrogen is present, one amino group is present, one carboxyl group is present. In different amino acids, this R group varies. Actually, the difference of amino acid is the variability of this R group. Okay, this is the glycine. Glycine is the simplest one. Glycine is the simplest one amino acid. This is the carboxyl group of the amino acid. This is the alpha carbon. This is hydrogen attached with the alpha carbon, and in this case R group is the H or the hydrogen group. Along with the